Michele Corley here to talk with you about our Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask. So Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask is designed for dry to extremely dry skin. It's very, very lipid rich. It utilizes a lot of cold pressed oils, and a little small amount goes a really long way. Though it is a mask, you can actually sleep in it, and you just wake up with very rehydrated, dewy looking skin. It has wonderful, wonderful slip, so you can actually use it in the treatment room as a massage mechanism. It has a lovely aroma, but it's not from essential oils. So again, Calm and Hydrate Cream Mask, it can be used on sensitive, sensitized, reactive skin. They will absolutely love it. It will make their skin feel so much better. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful for barrier repair. So we hope you love it as much as we do. Oh, and by the way, if it gets hot, this product can essentially melt. So all you need to do, if you got it and it's melted, you just have to stir it up. And if you keep it in a cool place, it should be fine. But we just like to call that out. So thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.